Hi everyone. Recently we came across the Stephen Covey concept of circle of control and circle of influence. In that activity, we looked at what our energy is being spent on. Is it being spent in a place that actually makes a difference? Is it being spent in a place where we want to be? Or is it being spent on our worries, concerns, and things that we have no control over? Today we're going to take that concept a step further and look at our oxygen tank dashboard in our mindfulness books. So today what we want you to do is have a look at your oxygen tank. If this oxygen tank was the finite amount of oxygen you had to get through the week, what would you want to use it on most? We know that you have concerns and worries, and we're not saying to forget about those. We're just saying, let's look at the things that we want to control, that we want to have influence over, and let's spend our energy wisely. So have a look at the oxygen tank and have a jot down of things that you want to spend your time on, your energy on, your oxygen on this week.